Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to edit PDF and alternative of Adobe Reader without watermarking. One of the platform are providing such kind of facilities. You can very easily edit PDF faster way using TenorShare PDNub platform. Link is available on video description. In this video, I am providing you detailed demonstration how to download and how to edit PDF entire information. So now let's start demonstration on Mac screen. So simply first of all, you need to open the browser and just added this link. I already added this link in video description. Look at this here, TenorShare PDNub, smarter, faster, erase PDF editor software and without watermarking. That one is really interesting. You can see here, smarter AI, they are introducing AI 300 times faster for PDF reading, summarization and much more options they are providing. Currently big sale is going on absolutely free of cost. This software, we need to download this software. First of all, software available for Windows and Mac. Currently I am using Mac, so I just simply download the software. Software size is very small. We just extract and here we need to just click here twice and open the software. It's very easy. If you use always this software, install here, connecting the server. First time you need to install the software using the same process. Installation is going on. Please wait couple of seconds. After successfully installation, just simply click here Launchpad, PDNub, PDF editor. So here the software is open. Look at this here, bunch of features displaying here. Open PDF, Nub PDF AI, PDF to Word, PDF to PPT, OCR PDF. So bunch of options they are introducing. Before using anything, we just simply sign up here using my email address, so we can save your all data on specific account. If you open this website or software other places, we just simply open here one of the PDF of my personal. So I just simply open here my resume here. So this is a framework of this one. If you want increase the size, so you can increase the size. If you want edit something, edit all, edit particular text or edit image, so we can see here edit all. So directly all format comes in editing format. If you want delete this entire paragraph, so you just simply select here and delete the paragraph. It's very easy. After that you can just simply drag and drop, and if you want modify the number, you should modify the number as well. So it's very easy. Highlighter also available here. If you want highlight something, so you should highlight like this. You can change the color also for the specific highlighter here like this. That one is really amazing. If you write some PDF, if you're a student in masters or PhD, so that one is very important. You can very easily highlight and send your professor, I am not understand properly this paragraph or what is meaning, how we elaborate this particular information. So you can very easily highlight here. Sticker related information is also available. If you recognize of this paragraph, so you should add the sticker. Okay, that one is really amazing. You should add here different types of stickers also, multiple years related, marks, notes. So which sticker you want to use, you decide, and you can very easily use. Add text. If you want add text, so you can just simply text here, text like this. So and then after you decide which position you want added this particular text like this. So you should add entire paragraph. I delete first of all one paragraph, and after that I add next one paragraph. So accordingly you should modify here. OCR format also available. If your PDF is image, so using OCR you can convert this image as a text format. It's really interesting. Here the to Word, you want convert this PDF to Word, simply click here yes and decide the location, and this, look at this, the entire PDF is convert as a Word format. Click here and boom, look at this, this one is a doc format, and you click here and the PDF is open and Word format. Entire as it is, nothing changed, no disturbance. If you use third-party software like Adobe Reader or other software, they are disturbing the Word document, but this one is not disturbing the Word document. As it is, we receive the data. That is really interesting features. If you want convert, this one is image format, you should convert as an image format. So look at this, image 1 and image 2. And the clarity, look at this, the clarity is also quite good. Pixel is not disturbing anything. Merge PDF, if you have multiple PDF, you should merge PDF very easily. Compress PDF, you want compress the PDF, so compress PDF also options are available. You install just only one software, TenorShare, PDNerve, and access bunch of features like compress PDF, merge PDF, PDF to image, PDF to Office, PDF to OCR, add text, edit all PDF, stickers, highlight, bunch of options they are providing. If you want comment something in the particular text, you should comment, protect the PDF, adding encrypted password. And some of the tools, that one is really interesting. Apart from that, the software prices information is available here. PDNerve PDF editor for Mac, look at this here, 1 year license, just only 4.99 major US dollar. Currently offer is going on. As a my personal suggestion, if you edit the PDF, you use PDF, doc, image, OCR related content. So definitely you should buy this software right now after finish this video. And look at this here, 1 month license. As a 1 month license, absolutely free. You can download this one, use 1 month, and if you really like this software, after that you should purchase like a 4.499 major US dollar. 3-year license package also they are introducing, 45.99 major US dollar, and receive all the features of these prices. Apart from all informations are available on this web page. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.